This is a story of a woman who finally chose herself after choosing everybody else in the family for years.
నేనైతే చాలా హ్యాపీ అండి.
The day she walked into my office, she just said this word, "Doctor, I think I want to finally choose myself, so I just want to start with my oral cavity."
మీకు చెప్పాను నా ప్రాబ్లం, చక్కగా ఏ ఇబ్బంది లేకుండా అందరు మంచి సపోర్ట్ చేశారు.
And then I asked, fine, but who just recommended you to us? The surprising thing was he just said, yes, my daughter is a dentist who's practicing in USA, and she just said, Amma, blindly go to Conquer and you will be in the safest hands. That's what she said to her.
ఫస్ట్ తనే మీ కాంకర్ కూడా ఫస్ట్ సజెషన్ చేసిన తనే, ఎక్కడికి వెళ్ళొద్దు, నువ్వు కళ్ళు మూసుకొని వెళ్ళిపో, నీకు జాగ్రత్తగా చేస్తారు, నువ్వు భయపడాల్సిన పని లేదు, కేర్ తీసుకొని చేస్తారని చెప్పి.
Those words, that trust and faith, meant everything for me because that what says exactly why we do what we do, which means Conquer is not just about whatever the treatments that we do, it's about the responsibility that we take for our patients, and we deeply connect to each and every patient that we treat. So just let me give you a glimpse of what they have done for her. So I'll just walk you through the case. So the step one was to take her complete diagnostic workup, where we have included her photographs and we have included her radiographs as well as a CBCT report, and also has taken the complete 3D facial analysis to have a better understanding of the entire facial aesthetics. We have also taken into consideration about her speech, occlusion, bite, and also the facial proportions. So we have taken all the records in detail so that these details will act as a foundation to the final output. So the second step was to give her the additive mock-ups. Additive mock-up is such that like where we don't touch any tooth or do prepare any teeth, we just add the material over the natural teeth so that her muscles, joints and the neuromuscular system gets adapted to the new occlusion. So we just kept her on the temporaries for almost, this additive temporaries for almost 1 month. And have reviewed her after 1 month just to check her comfort and her phonetics, how the way she speaks all kind of words, and her neuromuscular system, whether she's having any kind of pain after this. And we also checked for her occlusion and also chewing ability and the stability that she get after the new bite, because once she gets used to this new bite, she can go ahead with the other treatments.
యాక్చువల్గా నాకైతే ఏం అనిపించలే, నాకు నార్మల్గా ఉంది. నేనైతే ఒక ట్యాబ్లెట్ కూడా వాడలేదు, పెయిన్ కిల్లర్ కూడా వేసుకోలేదు. సరే 2 రోజులు అయితే అదే సెట్ అయిపోయింది నాకు.
So once we were confident about the new smile and the new bite and the new occlusion that we have given, that's when we actually started the work where we have designed the digital smile designing, and that's when we actually integrated the CBCT data along with the 3D scans and the Facebook transfer and the facial references, and we designed a smile that matched her personality, not just a template. And the next step was the very crucial step where we prepped her enamels, and we have taken exclusive care not to over remove the enamel, because that's where your bonding actually happens. So we conservatively prepared all the teeth, and we have placed the prototype temporaries, because this phase is very important, where we refine and contour and proportionate and check, and most importantly her comfort has to be checked in this temporary phase. Once she's comfortable and she thought this is what she want with the final temporaries, that's when we went to the final stage, where we went for the bisque trial, where we checked for the margins, contours and the translucency of the enamel and everything. Once we are happy and she's utmost happy with the bisque trial, that's when we went for the final cementation of the veneers. And the final outcome is just not the smile designing, it's the harmonious smile and the stable bite and the confident and the confident face that she has now. I think you can see this, and this is the woman who finally chose herself over everything else, and this is the smile that she has with so much of grace and dignity on her face now. And this story is not just about dentistry or a smile designing, but this is a story of a woman who finally chose herself over everything else. And this is her story, and it deserves to be told beautifully.
इधर सब डॉक्टर्स को बहुत पेशेंस ही है। सबसे पहले क्या है ना, डॉक्टर का जो पेशेंस ही रहता है ना, पेशेंट जल्दी वो ये हो जाता है हमारा बहुत ठीक हो जाएगा करके।